Here we go, Lukey Duke and Rob back in action. Just showed up and my train pulls up. What do you know, player? Woo, here we go, TYB. 7:03 and I'm on the train. Here we go, baby. First stop, Palo Alto, going to the nut house. I made it, I kicked ass. Rob's getting off work and we're finally doing it. Pub crawl, baby, on the train. Here we go. Woo! 7:05 and I'm ready to get my party on. Oh, yeah. There it is. Okay, here we are. Stop one. We are at the Nut House in Palo Alto. Bartender! 419, baby. Here we go. Our first stop. I'm on a PBR. Hey, Rob's on the Sierra. And what are the Giants doing?
Losing.
They're losing. What's the score, Rob?
1-0.
Top of the second, baby. Let's go.
We'll make it back, though.
TYB.
The Giants.
TYB.
TYB. Peace.
That's a big whiff. You ready to go? You ready to bounce? What's the next stop, Homer? Woohoo! What's the next stop?
Hillsdale.
Steamies. Skeebies.
Steamies.
All right. Where is it?
Steamer.
What city?
Belmont. No, it's Hillsdale.
All right. Hillsdale, baby. Here we go. Woohoo! Where are we going?
Going to Hillsdale.
What? Going where?
Hillsdale. Steamies.
What the heck is in that city?
Hillsdale.
And there's a bar?
Yep, Steamies.
Attaboy. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Man, once again, we show up, and here's the train. I'm following Rob. Yeah, I'm not really sure where we're going, but... What's up, Rob? What's up? What are you doing?
Check it out.
Yeah. What's it smell like?
It smells like Chinese food.
Chinese food.
It smells good.
I don't think so. It does smell good, huh? You're crazy. You're crazy, man. You're killing me.
Again, tip your bartender, pub crawl, and it's only the two of us.
Once again, baby, here we go.
This time we're armed with cameras, stickers, and a map.
And t-shirts. Check this out. We get off the train, right? We have no idea where the hell we're going. And I say, hey, Rob, we should ask this guy, what's the name of this place? Stinkies? Stinkies? He says Stinkies. He says, guess where it is? Where we at?
Steamies in San Mateo.
Steamie's in San Mateo. So be it. What are you drinking?
Hey, this bar was established in 1951.
1951. And was the OG bar for?
Jockeys used to come here from Bay Meadows.
Bay Meadows, baby. This is the OG bar. 1951, baby. That's right. 2YB's bringing you where it all began. Bow. Giants are coming back. 2-1, baby. He's lost. He's lost. That sucks. What's up, Rob?
What's up, Luke?
How you doing?
All right.
What time is it?
What?
What time is it?
Like 9:10.
9:10. Where are we going?
9:19 train to Hayward Park.
Hayward Park, baby. And what's there?
Bucky's.
Bucky's.
We're going to Bucky's. It's a little bit of a trek, I think.
Bucky's. Wow, we made it. That was an intense little journey through who knows where we are at. But anyway. What up, Rob?
Bucky's here.
Where are you at?
We're at Bucky's.
Bucky's?
Mateo.
What do you mean Bucky's?
This place has got some character, man. It looks like it's got some serious character.
All right, well, let's go check it out. Character. Rob's a character in himself, man. What's up? Yeah, baby. Here we go. What'd you just say?
Going back, we're going to hit the Giants traffic because they just won.
You think? What's the score right now?
2-2.
And what inning?
Middle of the night, bottom of the night.
Bottom of the ninth, baby. Let's do this. Hey, where are we at right now?
We're at Bucky's Cocktail Lounge.
Right on. What do you think about it?
like it. It's kind of classic.
Yeah, you like the long bar?
Long bars.
Yeah, this bar is long.
People buying that one.
Whatever, dude. What's up? Who you here with?
I'm here with Lukey Dude.
All right, Luke, dude. That's right. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. No new matter. All I gotta say is a bass knock wins the game.
Kenny, it's all because of you. You came in, they
I said game over. Game over. That's it.
Boom. So here we are. We get off the train, right? We're kind of cruising. We don't know where the hell we're going, but we walk this way, and here it says, it's all like, yeah, dude, kill it, bro. 17-foot path, brah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. What's up, Rob? Oh, shit. Rob fucked up. He missed the train.
Call the cab back and tell him. Fuck this. We're in a train pub crawl, motherfucker.
Call the cab and tell him we're not coming. Oh, wow. Later.
Yep.
Your first troomer.
Tasty, actually.
Pretty tasty, right?
Pretty close to a Sierra Nevada.
What?
Pretty close to a Sierra Nevada.
Yeah, but a little bit less dark.
Yeah, it's definitely more of a blonde. I don't know, more into brunettes.
Yeah, whatever. Whatever, fucking pig. 419 with Robert here.
No, wait. Is it 419?
419, baby. The Dreekers.
What time is it?
Doesn't even matter.
Precisely.
Rob and I are
Yeah,
here.
it
We're in the
does
middle
matter.
of freaking nowhere, and it's TYB,
No,
baby.
it's 12:22, bro.
Ooh,
It's 4:20.
Wow. Ooh, wow. It's 420. Big deal. You know what? Yesterday was 419, and Rob and I were hitting all the bars and partying it up. So all those towns that I'd never been to in Burlingame and wherever, peace out.
12:22,
Love you guys,
bro.
man.
420.
Love you guys. 420, dude. Bullshit. Cop out.
Giants just won the Giants party train on the way home.
Oh, now it's the Giants party train. Wow. All of a sudden, you're like, whatever, dude. Cool. So where the hell are we, bro? Talk to us. TYB, where are we?
Where are we?
Oh, yeah. Well, what did you just say?
Thanks for all coming out, and we really appreciate it.
Wow. Yeah. Thanks for all coming out. Hello. Thanks, everybody, for coming out. Yeah. Woo! Party on. Thanks, everybody. Thanks, everybody.
Thanks, everybody. Peace.
Yeah.
4 bars total, but it was fucking awesome!
Yeah. Shouts out to everybody that showed up. Yeah, we love you. TYB loves you.
Peace.
Peace. Train crawl, baby. There she goes.